So here we have the BMW 330e on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through the controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and then the cables for charging the electric motors in this car. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer, the rev counter, and the coolant temperature gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 30,730. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. Backing out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, stereo controls over here. We then have the ability to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. And then over in the center, we have BMW's Business Nav, which of course includes satellite navigation. So you can hit the map just there and you can see the color sat nav display. There's a full video showing how the sat nav works on our website and YouTube channel. We can also access our phone, radio and multimedia from up here. So radio wise, we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you listen to your own music, you can do, and you can do that via the CD player, as you can see, but you can also pair up your phone. You can plug in a USB device and an auxiliary device. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from there. This button turns your air conditioning on and off again. Underneath that, we have two cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn the traction control off, the parking sensors on and off, and we can change the driving setup of the car from Sport to Comfort and then Eco Pro. And then over here you have the iDrive system. This dial is what you will use to make all of the movements on the screen that you saw me making a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.